Alright guys, so now I'm going to pot up the cute little cutting. This is the Polynora Inner Variegated. Nice roots. They look good. I washed it off. It was potted up in a shot cup of, this is stratum, and it looks like perlite. So I want to get it into my combo of tree fern fiber and pine. So that's what we're doing here. Okay. I was going to add some orchid bark, but I'm not going to do that now. Later on when it gets bigger and I put it in one of my self-watering hanging pots, then I'll transfer it at that point and add some orchid bark to the mix. And I'm just sampling different things, trying something different. I decided to put it in this pot. It's a little taller, so once it starts trailing, it'll buy me a little time before I have to change the pot. Let's use this. Put a little on the bottom. Put a little mica in there. Oops. This pot has drainage, so I may just sit something underneath so it can underwater. A little bit more here because it's not that big a stem. And I think this will be airy enough, it won't be too much substrate until this plant starts to take off. It has, do you see the new growth? Can you make that out? Right there and there. And I damaged the leaf with the unboxing. I got a little carried away ripping the tape off. So yeah, be careful when you unbox your things, especially with leaves like these. So now my Polynora collection, I think, is complete for now. I have the outer, the inner, the brodet, broda, and what's the other one? The silver. And those guys are starting to grow. I'll add them at the end of the video so you can see. I think I'm set with those. I'm going to do another video showing you how I'm going to set those up in their self-watering pots. It's like a styling video, I guess. Okay. And yeah, that's it. There she is. And let me show you the others. Be right back. So this is the first one I got. This is the Polynora Green, the regular one. And she's really, really growing lately. I did chop her at a point and share. I think I shared that one. Here's the silver, who's also starting to grow. These are the newest leaves. I'm blocking the light. Apologize. Let's bring that closer. And then here is the outer variegated. Now I wish I could get that kind of variegation going. I may chop back and then add that to the pot to see if I can encourage some more of that kind of variegation. We'll see. It all depends. Beautiful plants. I love these. And then this is the Brogette or the Broga. You can see some of that variegation. Again, I want to see more of that splash. I keep saying variegation, but it's splash. Splash right there. So I may chop back where, I don't know. Let's see what these end up looking like. But yeah, I may chop it back, hoping to encourage more of that. But yeah, so I think, did I show you everything? Yeah, that's it. And now we have this little baby to add to the collection. So I'm hoping for growth. And I'll put the name of the seller on the screen. You can find the link down below in the description. She was great. She got it to me quickly. It was packaged, as you can see in the unboxing, very well. So yeah, guys, finally got the inner variegated. It was really expensive there for a while, but just wait on these plants. The prices will drop as they become more available. So just hang in there. You'll get them. Take care. Thanks for watching.